What's up, everybody? All right, it's New Year's Eve, and I got something really cool to show you. So, anyways, the cool car we're getting ready to check out and actually test drive is that one right there. Yeah, that's a Maserati GranSports. And then we're gonna strap this camera on my head and just zip it down the road real quick. I'm gonna let you see the car a little bit. I've been told the motor inside of that car over there is out of a Ferrari. Can you believe that? Ferrari. I don't know about y'all, but when you crank up a Ferrari, it usually sounds really good. Now, we do got a lot of noise going on outside of this car right now. We got the pressure washer running and all that. But again, I've been told this car really does sound pretty insane. So let's see what we can listen to and hear. There it is. Now, first off, the car is really interesting. I mean, there was only like 400 or so of these actually made. And this one is the Spyder convertible, right? But I like the color, man. It's really cool. Kind of a dark maroon. Looks really sweet. Got the quad exhaust in the back. Oh boy. And it really is a good looking car. Now, personally, I like the rear end on the car better than the front, but that's just me. But you know, to each his own. Let's just check it out a little bit more. I do like the wheels. I mean, what a good looking set of rims there. You got some massive brakes. Yeah. But, and I have seen some other vehicles like this on YouTube. I don't know. Now, this particular one right here, I don't know. I kind of like the front of it a little better than some of the other ones that I've seen online. Got that, you know, good looking grill there with the logo and all. A very kind of pointy front. But again, a Ferrari engine under this thing. Oh yeah, V8 GranSport, right? So anyways, let's go ahead and hop in. The interior is very, very luxurious. I mean, just look at it. Tan interior. You got the carbon fiber, which this is actually not real carbon fiber right here. Carbon fiber look right there. But this right here is real carbon fiber, and that looks really nice. Why would they put real carbon fiber here and fake carbon fiber here? Well, hold on a minute. Let me get a closer look at it, right? It's real carbon fiber. When you kind of get right here and just look at it, it kind of looks like the carbon fiber vinyl. But as I really started looking at it a little bit more, I can really tell where it's real carbon fiber. So yeah, cool. I'm liking it. Now again, it's basically what you call a Spyder. Yeah, it's convertible. Would you call it a roadster? There is no back seat. And most cars that are roadsters don't have back seats. So technically a roadster. And whoa, this is cool. Check this out. Look at those pedals, man. That looks really nice. It's very clean. And it's got carbon fiber in all the best spots. Right up here, okay? Right down in here. You got all these cool buttons. Man, oh man. This is really sweet. More carbon there. I like the Maserati logo, the start button, power window buttons, sport, all that. Got these big, massive paddle shifters for up and down. So anyways, here we go. I like that clock right there too. Pretty neat. And look at I like the kind of dark blue, navy blue kind of, I don't know, anyways, maybe not navy blue, but whatever. I like the blue back there. 27,332 on the miles. Wow. That's pretty low mileage. Let's crank her up. Okay, it kind of sounds good, right? I think the only thing on it is it definitely could use an upgraded radio here, you know? It definitely looks kind of dated, but hey, it is what it is, right? Still absolutely beautiful car. The interior's in great shape. Look at those seats. I mean, man, these seats look really nice. Wow. Anyways, let's have a listen. Rev it up just a little bit for you so you can hear it. So really, it's more motor sound than exhaust. Sounds pretty good. Sounds fast, like it's got some power. Let's go ahead and take a look at that motor, right? Oh, ho, 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 boy. Look at that. Man, oh man. Is that not beautiful? I think that's my most favoriteest part of this vehicle is that motor, man. Look at that. It is absolutely gorgeous. The red. Wow-wee, this is the heart of the vehicle. Man, that looks nice. Another thing that I noticed when I was looking at the pictures of it, when Mr. Chris, the owns the store here, did the photos of it, I said, wow, the engine bay is just so clean. You know, most normal, just regular vehicles or just vehicles in general have a lot of wires and a lot of tubing and everything just all over the place, right? It just really looks so clean under here. And I think it's because of this right here, okay? Kind of going around the motor bay there so you don't have to see so much. So when you're working on it, you can pop all that off, but that really makes it look nice. And that is a big engine under the hood of this Maserati. Wow. That's pretty sweet. Truly is. Take a look at this, right? Wow, that's cool. Yeah. Good old 4.2 liter V8 under there. And let's get a nice shot of the rear end on her. She's definitely a beauty. And again, this is the type of stuff that we, you know, we like keeping in inventory here at Southern Motor Company. The vehicles that are different than all the other vehicles out there on the road, right? Things that are unique. That's kind of what it's all about here at SMC. All right, let's hop in and take it for a quick run just around the road here. This is cool. And this is really interesting here. I mean, just this tiny, tiny little shifter. Just kind of weird if you ask me, but to each his own. And then just push up and it should be in drive. There we go. Well, of course the roads are kind of busy right now, right? Lots of vehicles, but anyways. So basically I'm using my paddle shifters to switch from the different gears. But there we go, it's doing what it's got to do. Feels nice. You know, unfortunately we just don't really get a good opportunity to hit the highway with her right at this particular moment and take her for a real test drive. And I do apologize to the viewers on that. You know, I sometimes I really do wish I could take a little bit more thorough test drive with everybody. And but anyways, let's give it a little gas here, see how she feels. I mean, definitely got plenty of power. It feels great, you know. Of course, we got a lot of A lot of vehicles here at Southern Motor Company. And as you see, we got our 2 Dodge Chargers over here, Scat Pack editions. 96 Corvette. 7 Series. Just a nice inventory of vehicles. A little bit of everything here at SMC. All right, guys. Well, you just seen one right here for sale at the on the last day of the year at Southern Motor Company. So come on down and see us, or give us a call. Visit us online as you're already doing. If you're in the market for a Maserati GranSport Spyder, you just found it. All right, guys, have a great day. I hope you enjoyed seeing this car. If we can do more with it in the near future, we definitely will do that. And yeah, have a good one. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in 2021.